they didn't mind.
No, they said, what, do you got the paparazzi with you? And I said, yeah, I'm pretty famous.
Yeah, it was the only bit I was worried about, for hoping that someone says, no, don't turn your camera off.
Nah. Yeah, no, go for it. There's a button just on behind it, on the...
There's a water tank.
Yeah, keep the dust down a bit.
Yep. Oh, we got a kenworth in front of us.
That bloke that parked next to us in the white cab over.
Yeah.
He's my business partner.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Oh, what's his name?
Corey Lishke.
Corey. Ah.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, all Pleasant Hills.
Yep.
They're all Walla-Wallas, aren't they?
Yeah.
Unreal. Yeah, I waited for him earlier and unbelievable.
Yeah, we've been working together for years.
Yep.
Oh, have you? Is he nice guy?
Yeah.
Nice guy.
No, I like dealing with good people, Glenn, like you.
Yeah.
I don't like real pushy people. So.
Nah. Sorry? Oh, no, this is the first one for the day. They're just tickets you got to fill out, give them all the information, and they're doing the test.
Yeah. 20s, yeah, whatever it is, 20.60. I got it. Got it on video camera. Good beauty.
Thanks, sir. See you later.
Yep. Does, doesn't it?
Yeah, we normally unload and then just a stupid shit.
Look at that, unreal.
You've already unloaded that, haven't you?
Yeah, we're in here.
Unloaded up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All that seal in.
So, were they in auto?
Yes. I was going to do a slow exposure one to try and get all the fluffy grain.
Yep.
everywhere, But I didn't have much time
Yep.
to stuff around with your camera. What did you do?
I stuck in auto.
Did you?
Yeah. So I didn't want to stuff anything up.
No, I'm going to suss out that Nikon that you've got.
Yep.
And going to work out how to slow the shutter speed down.
Because I couldn't see, like, you know, with my camera,
Yeah.
that you can see what you're taking, like before you take it, like straighten up stuff. I couldn't do that with that one.
Did you flip the thing around?
I did, and there was nothing on there.
You actually take any
Weird.
photos?
Huh?
Did you take any photos?
Yeah, I did. I took heaps. No, well, because when I'll explain to you a bit later. Because when I put it on, and I wanted to take a photo, I flew up high, and I couldn't.
Oh, okay.
It wouldn't show.
It wouldn't show. Can I have a look?
Go for it.
Just make sure it's working.
Go for it. I don't want to stuff anything up on a curb.
You opened this up, did you?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I had it opened up. Yep. Yep. And you turn off on the dial there. Maybe new charge, I couldn't get it to work the way I've got my camera. Shit, that motor sounds good, Glen.
Yeah, it's good this one.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know. As long as when you take them, they come on flat.
They come on to that, but when I want to, before I take it, make sure it's lined up properly, I had to end up using the lens.
Oh, you've got to actually put your eye up on it now.
Yeah.
Have you got your long thing on?
Have I?
Yeah. Have you moved that at all?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I did.
You got it on like zoom out.
No, it's all good. I knew what I was doing, so yeah. Before I started using it, I made sure that it worked.
How much?
Like this seam, I'll stop this for a minute.
Oh,